Need to share files quickly and efficiently without any cost? Today, we're reviewing the top 5 free file sharing services. Let's find the best tool for your needs. First up is WeTransfer. Known for its simplicity, WeTransfer lets you send files up to 2 GB for free. The interface is clean and straightforward. Just upload your files, enter the recipient's email, and send. It's perfect for quick, hassle-free transfers. Next is Google Drive, which offers 15 GB of free storage space. You can share files and folders with anyone by generating a shareable link or inviting people via email. Google Drive integrates seamlessly with other Google services and has powerful collaboration tools like real-time editing and commenting. Third on the list is Dropbox. With a free plan that includes 2 GB of storage, it allows you to share files and folders through links and offers a user-friendly dashboard. Dropbox also integrates with numerous apps and services, making it a versatile option for both personal and professional use. Next is Smash, a newer player in the file sharing space. Smash lets you send files up to 2 GB for free, with no size limits on individual files. The platform offers a sleek interface and customizable features like branded links and password protection, though some advanced options require a paid plan. Last but not least, Pcloud offers up to 10 GB of free storage with its basic plan. You can share files and folders with easy-to-generate links and enjoy features like file encryption and versioning. The Pcloud interface is intuitive and it also supports seamless integration with various third-party apps. So which file sharing service is best for you? WeTransfer is ideal for quick, straightforward file transfers with no need for an account. Google Drive offers ample storage space and robust collaboration features, making it perfect for team projects. Dropbox stands out for its seamless integration with various apps and its user-friendly interface. Smash excels at handling large files without compression, while Pcloud provides generous storage options along with additional features like versioning and encryption. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.